Use your hammock anywhere with the McLean Metalworks self-contained hammock mount. This convenient hammock hanging solution makes it possible for you to hang from the hitch of your trailer. Quickly deployable, the hammock mount fits all standard 2-inch vehicle receiver hitches, including Class 3 and IV. Made from high-strength steel, the mount can handle up to 300 pounds of weight. Likewise, it accommodates hammocks up to 114 inches in length. The collapsed arm assemblers lock into the frame for easy transport and easily deploy using the quick-release pins. Moreover, the telescoping arms smoothly extend and lock into place. Simply attach the hammock to the arms using carabiners and get comfortable in minutes. Made in the USA, the completely self-contained hammock mount is convenient for camping trips, off-road adventures, and more. Shine a gorgeous galaxy of stars on your ceiling with the BlissLights StarPort laser USB star projector. And the cool part is that you can do so from your laptop, battery pack, phone charger, or USB outlet. This projector transforms your room with the help of direct diode lasers, holographic technologies, and precision glass optics. Plus, it's great for setting the ambience for your gaming marathons. Otherwise, use it to decorate your bedroom or add an interesting touch to your home office. Moreover, the flexible extender positions the projector in the ideal position each time. And the small form factor makes the StarPort easy to take with you anywhere. So you could even take it to a friend's party to set the mood there. Finally, available in blue, green, and red color options, it ensures your Galaxy can match your color scheme. The igloohome Smart Keybox 3 Intelligent Lockbox is bigger than ever before. An upgrade on the previous model, this smart lockbox comes with enough room for house keys. It even holds car key fobs and other access cards. In fact, it's now 2 1/8 inches deep rather than just 1.5 inches deep. And the great part is that anyone you want to hand off your key to doesn't have to download an app. Instead, you can generate pins on the go and send them to your recipients via WhatsApp, SMS, Facebook Messenger, and more. That makes it easy for anyone you want, of course, to have access to this smart key box. Because there are 2 different shackle sizes, this intelligent lockbox works well on fences, knobs, and other door handle styles. With the Classicbot iBoy retro toy, you get a cute little friend who you can transform. In homage to a beloved and iconic MP3 player, this figure comes with arms, legs, and earbuds for ears. This cute guy truly looks like a friendly MP3 player. Whether he lives in your home or office, this figurine provides just the right amount of nostalgia for any setting. Additionally, with magnetic joints that hold his arms and legs on, iBoy can be posed in any way. In fact, you'll get thousands of posing options, which means iBoy is a helpful fiddling gadget if you're stressed out. A toy for grown-ups, he has detachable and lifelike headphones along with buttons that actually click. Created by Classicbot, which crafts toys inspired by classic products, iBoy exudes fun. With the easy Eddy 3-piece modular paddleboard, you don't need a large vehicle for your SUP. This modular SUP gives you the portability you need, just like an inflatable stand-up paddleboard does. However, it provides the same high-quality performance of a hardboard. The great part is that you don't need to spend extra money on a roof rack or deal with unreliable straps. Additionally, you won't waste time inflating an ISUP. This 3-piece SUP easily comes apart so you can fit it in your trunk. Or, if you're going on a boating adventure, you can stow the easy Eddy out of the way. And because you care about the environment, this modular paddleboard is made of recycled materials and is entirely recyclable itself. So get out on the waves with this SUP, and even bring your favorite brew to keep in the cup holder. Get full access to your smart assistant on the go with the Anker Roav Viva Alexa car button. Plugging directly into your vehicle, this nifty device puts everything within reach. That is, with your voice. The Roav Viva picks up on your voice commands just like your Echo or other Amazon Alexa device. Simply say the assistant's name and your command. The Roav Viva can help pre-order pizza, guide you to your destination, or even find your favorite playlist. This plug-and-play design puts all of the control right where you need it. And, with an impressively low price point, it's a total steal. The Roav Viva also uses the Alexa technology to integrate with your other smart devices. For example, you can turn on your lights while driving home. Finally, the dongle is complete with 2 USB ports so you can also recharge your devices. It's important you drive safely, and the Cobra Road Scout radar detecting dash cam can help you do just that. This 2-in-1 driver alert system is both a radar detector and dash camera. This means that it not only tells you about speed cameras and red light cameras, but it also records anything that happens to your vehicle, day or night. This radar detector has long-range capabilities and a GPS database of alerts. It'll detect real-time, new radar threats as well as tell you about known ones. Additionally, this dash camera records in full HD 1080p and can detect impacts. Because it connects to Wi-Fi, you can edit, view, and share recordings from your smartphone. This radar dash cam will help you drive more assured, knowing it has your back. With the Drive Reach by weBoost Vehicle Cell Signal Booster Kit, you won't deal with so many annoying dead zones. Whether you're on your summer road trip or traveling for work, this cell signal booster kit will give you coverage. This cell booster provides your vehicle with 29.5 dBm uplink output power, giving you a super strong cell signal regardless of your network speed. This device will give you the car everyone wants to travel in because your passengers will benefit, too. You'll all experience better call, internet, and hotspot quality. Plus, you'll notice that you have a larger range in which to use your phone. And you don't have to be an electrician to install this product. It's a quick process that doesn't involve much more than Velcro. Compatible with all cell phones and US carriers, this device will change your car travel experience. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.